Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Go to the file and new and design. Need a sketch. Make a rectangle. (160 by 124). Make a circle and trim. And now I can move it on front plane and make pull of 64 mm width. And again select front face as a sketch plane and making offset of 24 mm. And again pull it and remove. And now I select a side face as a sketch plane and make a rectangle of 64 by 64 and then OK and pull it of 48 mm. Select side face as a sketch plane and make a sketch for slot. I am making a circle of 40 mm diameter and the dimension of the center is 32 mm and make a rectangle of 40 by 32 mm and trim and OK and again pull in reverse direction of 36 mm and now go to design tab and select the body and select the face where we separate the bodies and dimension given from the top to bottom is 104, so I can put it and I'm making a center plane for reference and mirror it on the other direction and then delete the plane